Now let's look at this word problem. Salama's little brother was having fun by throwing a stone to see if it could hit a can. Suppose this is the wall. Salama's brother is standing here. The distance, the wall was 6 meters from him. The wall is 6 meters from him and it is 5 meters tall. Salama's brother is standing here. From this position he is throwing a stone to hit a can on the wall. There is a can over here. The height of the can is 10 centimeter. So the total height is given as 5.1 meter. From this place Salama's brother is throwing a stone to hit the can. It will follow a quadratic equation. The reason is the equation given to you is a quadratic equation, so it will be a parabola open downward because the coefficient of x square is negative, so such will be the shape of the parabola. Now we have to answer some questions based on the given information. What is the maximum height the stone will reach? Hx is the equation of the stone where h is representing the height and x is the horizontal distance. X is the horizontal distance, so x is a coordinate on x-axis and h is a coordinate on y-axis. So we can say that hx, because h is a function of x, x is an independent variable and hx is a dependent variable. What is the maximum height the stone will reach? Maximum height, because it's a parabola, the maximum point will be the vertex of the parabola. It will be here, and the vertex is the point of maximum or the minimum for the parabola. The maximum height. Now the vertex of a parabola is given by hk. Vertex has two coordinates, h coordinate and k coordinate. This is corresponding to the x coordinate, this is corresponding to y coordinate. Now among both of them, because the question is of the maximum height, they're asking for maximum height, they're asking for the y coordinate. It means they're asking for k. The formula for k, which you know, is given by c minus b square over 4a, where we compare the given quadratic equation with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c, and if we compare them, the value of a is minus 0.2, it's 0.2, the value of b is 1.73 and the value of c is 1.5. If I substitute these values to get the value of k, c equals 1.5 minus b is given as 1.73 whole square over 4 times a is given as minus 0.2. So if I solve it further, 1.5 minus, let's see what are these values equal to. 1.73 whole square, 1.73 whole square over 2 times 0.2 is 0.8 and minus times minus is plus. So if I calculate these values, the height of the stone can be obtained. 1.73 whole square, this is 1.73 whole square over 0.8 equals 3.74 plus 1.5. So this value is 5.24. 5.24 is the answer. So the maximum height is 5.24 meter. So it will go above the total length and then it will start falling down. The parabola path, it reaches the maximum point and then it starts falling down. Now if we'll go to the next part of the question, approximately how tall is the boy? The height of the boy is the starting point of this parabola. This is the starting point. It is at the instant when the time is 0. So if I substitute time, or the horizontal distance is 0 in this case, if I substitute x equal to 0 in the given equation I have h0, and h0 is nothing but the height of the Salamas brother. So if I substitute x equal to 0 in the given equation, 1.5 plus 1.73 times 0 is 0, minus 0.2 times 0 is 0, so it is 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter is the height of Salama's brother. Now if I look at the next question, will the stone hit the can? Will this stone hit the can? To this, if the only possibility when the stone will hit the can is the distance 5.1, that is the total height of the can, and the horizontal distance is given as 6 meters. So I can say that the coordinate which should lie on the point is 5.1. 5.1 is the vertical distance and 6 is the horizontal distance. If I can prove that this point lies on the line, then I can say that the stone will hit the can. To check this, I'll just replace x by 6 in the given equation. We have the given equation as 1.5 plus 1.73 times x is replaced by 6 here, minus 0.2 times x square means 6 square. If the answer to this equation hx comes out 5.1, it means the stone will hit the can, otherwise it will not hit the can. So I substitute the value. 6 square is 36. I'll check the values. 6 square is 36. 36 times 0.2, 7.2. This is 7.2. This value is minus 7.2. Then is 1.73. 1.73 times 6, and this value is 10.38. If I write this value, 10.38 plus 1.5, so 10.38 minus 7.2 plus 1.5, 4.68. This value is coming out to be 4.68, means the distance 4.68 will be somewhere over here, means at the distance of 6 meter the stone crosses the given wall at the point 4.68, means after here the path is like this. So instead of hitting the can, the stone goes to this distance and it hits the wall. So the stone will hit the wall here and it will fall down. Instead of hitting the can, it will hit the wall below that and it will fall down.